to introduce my kids to this international atmosphere that this school is offering. Lots of cultures living side by side.
You can always see when students put in effort and they feel comfortable with what they're telling you, and you can see that they know the history of the country. That's very important for us.
Actually, it's everything about international school, especially Pan-Asia. When we have majority of students from Asia, that's the name Pan-Asia. So to celebrate the identity of the whole body of the student and parents of our school, it's our identity.